Good morning. I want to say sunshine, but it's not so sunny. This is gotta be the fuckiest beautiful view I ever seen in my life. The view from the hotel that I stay. Antigua, St. John, Barbuda. That's gotta be something. Take a look at that. Oh my god. Take a look at that. Yep. What supposed to be those? What supposed to be those? Woo. Yep. That's green. Everything green.